Meaning of flyweight.
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 Flyweight. Flyweight is a term that originated in boxing, referring to a weight class for athletes weighing between 108 to 112 pounds. In computer science, the term refers to a software design pattern that optimizes memory usage by sharing data among multiple objects rather than creating new instances. By using shared objects and reusing existing data, the flyweight pattern can reduce memory usage and increase efficiency. This makes it especially useful in situations where resources are limited or where performance is critical, such as in embedded systems or mobile devices.